We're two best friends, took the train in from Jersey City. Two best friends, making our way in town. We're two bored friends, hungry and hapless, but Jason's pretty. Two broke friends, gonna try something new. We're kitchen crashers, not purse snatchers, not rat catchers, not leg waxers. We're kitchen crashers. First we'll find the apartment, then we'll get inside through doors left open, windows broken, and telling people lies. A little bit of breaking in to get a lot of bacon in, and now let's get to cooking too, so that we can be looking through cupboards and closets, dressers and drawers, running up and down apartment floors. We're kitchen crashers, dine-in dashers, escaping slashers, tasteful flashers. We're kitchen crashers, kitten snatchers, eyelash lashers, saving cash. Theme song masters. Kitchen crashers.
Oh, yes. Oh, the poor. I hate the poor. Amazing.
Dyed her hair one color. She's a poodle, my God, not a Maltese.
It's too nice. It's too nice. It's too nice.
So I'm just gonna let Belle take over this episode because I don't have any experience bartending and actually don't really have that much experience drinking even.
I have never lost a drinking game in my entire life.
Wine. Shots. 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 One more for good measure.
It's classier out of the bottle.
And don't. You wasted wine.
I think the wine's going to my head.
So I actually was a bartender for 6 months or so at the Waldorf Astoria. I had a really great time there, but they found out I was raising a rat circus in the basement and they asked me to leave, So this is my variation on Negroni, the classic ingredients of which are gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari, all in equal parts, and you're going to want to use an orange as your garnish as well as to add more flavor. Ice is really the last ingredient to any drink, so whenever you mix a drink, you're not chilling it so much as you are adding the last ingredient of water. So the key to this is you want to keep the flat back of your spoon up against the sides and your hand very loose. So you just kind of let it flow. And if this was a real bar spoon, you'd know when the drink was done by the time that your hand had risen all the way to the top of the spoon and out. So typically I would use a peeler for this, but I'm not in my usual setting, so a knife will do. It's important that you use a lighter and not a match because the phosphorus on the match itself will actually flavor your orange oil, which is going to be a key component of this drink. So we've really only got one shot at this. There's not that much oil per peel, so pay close attention and make sure that you're really focused on what you're doing here. This is a burnt orange Negroni.
What do I do when I'm not on camera?
So this is my version of the Negroni. First, we're gonna take what Belle's already made. Perfect. It's good. This is Tanqueray 10. It's a little, better than whatever Belle was using. I think that was just normal Tanqueray. So we're just gonna. I count when I pour instead of actually measuring. I think you count to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And I forgot my garnish. This is like the finishing touch. So yeah, get the spark of the flame, the flavor of the smoke. It's like a smoky flavor we're looking for, and you're just gonna you're just gonna get it all around there. That's like a rim job. That's great. 5 stars.
So here's something interesting that you might not know. Irish whiskey is spelled with an EY, and so Irish whiskey is spelled with an EY, and Scotch whiskey is just spelled with a Y. So whenever you see an American whiskey, if it's spelled for an Old Pal, you're gonna go ahead and use 1 shot of whiskey, and then you're gonna go ahead and actually use the Campari once more to vermouth. We have this martini Rossi here. It's a classic 1920s cocktail. So we're gonna go ahead and add our ice into here, and stir this one up. I want to give this one a dash more whiskey. And this is going to be another cocktail that is stirred, not shaken. You typically only want to stir your drinks whenever they're all spirit, and shake whenever there's fruit involved. So I wrap my lemon peel around the straw to really get a good mist of the oils, and also to help it maintain the shape. So you're gonna wanna garnish that one right in the middle. And that is the Old Pal.
So my take on the Old Pal, just whiskey neat. Who could that be? Hi there. Good, thank you.
Thank you so much. You too. Have a great night.
This is my own variation on a margarita, because we don't have any of the typical triple sec that we need, the Combier, the Cointreau. Instead, we can use a Saint Germain elderflower liqueur to make something that's going to be just as sweet, just as fruity and citrusy, but with a different spin. Well,
He seized the reprieve eagerly and set about arousing her in every fashion he knew. He tongued and sucked and fondled her breasts. He kissed every inch of her delectable body, licked her navel, then her quim, brought her to the brink of satisfaction until she was moaning and begging and clearly needing him as much as he needed her. Desperately. Madly.
So we've added our spirit and our base of lime. And now we're going to go through and we're going to add our Saint Germain. So you don't want to do too much here. I'm going to go to about a half. We're going to shake this vigorously. I'm going to go ahead and top this with lemon elderflower soda. It's going to be extra fizzy. And we're going to garnish with a wheel of lime. And here we have elderflower margarita or the Rat King. That's really nice. Who was it?
That's fine. Okay, so that drink really seemed very complicated to me. So I want to do like a fresh take on a margarita. Yeah, and that's basically it. Yeah. Oh, I need some water.
You have a lot of tension in this spread, particularly contradicting signs.
Yeah.
Now, I want you to take the card that speaks most to your energies.
Sure.
Okay, and then I want you to rub it against your left cheek.
Okay.
And while you do so, I want you to think about the ocean and your relationship with your mother. So, interestingly enough, your karmic energies seem to be a little cross-faded here.
Yeah.
If you want to take this Two of Branches card
Yeah.
and
You do.
throw it up in the air.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel so much better. Oh my god. It's been so hard for so long.
And make your eyes look kind.
Okay. Wait, where's it coming from? Ooh, wait, that's so exciting.
You gotta hold it for the whole time.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
I don't know.
Oh my god, don't scare me like that. I don't know how to work these old-fashioned
I'm gonna
cameras.
make it turn back off.
Okay, fun.
We'll just leave it. I should probably want this.
Oh my god. Oh, I feel like I should be reading that romance novel right now. I can't see it that well, but I love it already. I think we found the perfect picture. It's like almost perfect. It's like almost there.
NYPD, open up.
We're two best friends. Took the train in from Jersey City. Two best friends. Making our way in town. We're two bored friends. Hungry and hapless, but Jason's pretty. Two broke friends. Gonna try something new. We're kitchen crashers, not purse snatchers, not rat catchers, not leg waxers. We're kitchen crashers.